This video is going to show you a simple do-it-yourself glass cleaner recipe for the best way to clean windows and any mirrors or glass that you have in your home. Hello, my name's Amelia, and this is the Essential How-To channel where I love to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude. And today it's all about your home. Everything I talk about today will be linked to down below in the description, and be sure to check out this free ebook with many more cleaning recipes that you can use in your home. Making your own cleaning products is such a smart thing to do. Here's 3 reasons why. First, it's going to save you a lot of money. Most products that you purchase in the store are mostly water, so it's a really good thing to do to make your own products at home. Save some money. The second reason is because it reduces the amount of chemicals you're bringing in your home, and that's just great all around for you and your pets and your family. And using essential oils as part of your cleaning products is such a smart idea because they're so concentrated and they have cleaning surface compounds in them. So great to add them to your cleaning products. Okay, so let me give you the recipe, and then I'm going to show you a really great technique for cleaning windows. You're going to take 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of water and add 10 drops of lemon essential oil. Lemon is really great for this. So mix this all together in a glass spray bottle. And then using a lint-free microfiber cloth, you're going to wipe the solution off in a Z pattern. You're going to go across and down, across and down, and across and down all the way. You don't want to go in a circular pattern because then you're just dragging that dirt back up to where you just cleaned. And once you've done that, dry off the window or the mirror with another lint-free cloth. Again, using that back and forth motion. And that's it. So check out this free ebook with so many more cleaning ideas, from how to clean stainless steel, to cleaning wood, to cleaning your cabinets. And check out the other videos on the Essential How-To channel to amplify your sense of feeling good in your home, your health, and your attitude.